Today is June 23rd, 2015. Trade recap for the day. It's a little early. It's 2:45, but I'm done with the day. Nothing really great today, and basically ended up flat, or I don't know. I think I lost $100. Um, One decent trade. I don't know. I guess they were both okay. So first one that was profitable was Momo. Um, Started into this mid morning, added into spikes, but that was kind of my plan with a stop on the high of the day. So okay, it faded. I was really hoping for a crack of 17. So I waited. The 1720 level was the line in the sand all day. Where's my crosshairs? Anyway, so it finally cracked that. Fell to 1710-ish. I mean, I covered at 1709, which was probably basically the low of the afternoon, which was nice. Gave it a little time. Once it reclaimed that 1720 level, I covered the rest. So I'm pleased with that. It just didn't necessarily work. It's up on some non-binding buyout by the CEO or something. So it was like I took the profit, call it good. It didn't crack. I mean, it could, right after it didn't crack 17, it kind of becomes a 50-50. I mean, maybe it takes off, maybe it stays at 1720 for 2 weeks. Who knows? So I was okay with that one. I mean, I guess I would rate that a B minus trade. I mean, nothing great, but it wasn't bad. I mean, my entries were decent. I managed it okay. It just didn't do what I wanted. Second one was AGEN. AGEN. I would call this poor. Adam Feuerstein tweeted. I mean, he's a known. I mean, he can move stocks. He tweeted that I didn't even read the article, but basically that this thing, isn't all it's cracked up to be. I mean, you could read the article if you want. It dropped immediately to 8. I didn't enter that. I saw that. I watched it. It bounced to this 820 level. So I thought, you know what, I'll try it just to see if that's just a kind of a dead cat bounce or whatever. So I got short at 820, and then I, basically had this 840, 850 level as a stop. So added at 830, added at 840, and covered in the 850s. So I mean, I've traded my plan. So oh well, but basically gave back all of my profits plus like $100 on Momo. So on the day, nothing. But again, I wouldn't necessarily. I probably was a little too impatient. I probably should have just covered at the red to green and moved on. I probably gave it a little more room, but I stuck to my plan. When I went in, this 840, 850 level was my stop. I stuck to it. It's like, again, much like Momo not working like I wanted to, this one just didn't work like I wanted to. I guess, that happens. What do you do? So overall, nothing great. But that being said, I missed, SGYP, right? Yeah, this was a bummer. I mean, I had my pre-market watch. I mean, I had said that I would get short in the high 8s. It hit the high 8s right out of I didn't want to enter pre-market. I wanted to let that shake out. Right out of the gate, it hit 870s. I mean, I actually had an order at 879 that didn't get filled, and it cracked and dropped by $1. So that was the big miss of the day. It kind of would have been nice to be in that one as opposed to battling Momo all day. And then I think problem with Momo was I was just grinding and grinding, watching it all day. That then made me jump at AGEN. So it is what it is. Nothing great, but live to fight another day.